Write a letter to your sister congratulating her on success in the examination. Examination hall, city, date. Dear sister, your letter brought the happy news of your brilliant success in the matriculation examination. This news is like a cool breeze in a desert. My heart has filled with joy after listening that you have got a grade. You have always been a brilliant student. It is hard to beat a person who never gave up. You have always done well. I am proud of you. This success is a step for you to your goal. My dear sister remembers that the grace of Allah always remains with the people who work honestly. You are the star of family. I am sending you a gift of a wristwatch and a beautiful pen. Accept my heartiest congratulations on this brilliant success. Compliments to all, regards to elders, and love to youngsters. Your loving brother, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.